Okay, now we're going to talk about Mucinex. This stuff it's hard to pronounce. It's DM, and it lasts us for 12 hours. This stuff is like, you would not believe. It's really, really good. It loosens up all the stuff that gets all in your throat. This one here is the DM, and it's to loosen all the stuff up and to help control your cough. But they have different kinds out there that maybe this one helps your nose or this one helps. But this one here helps your cough and to help break up all that music. I can't pronounce it. Break it all up, and they are worth the money. Just one dose lasts 12 hours, and it really does work. And these will help you get well a lot faster. Trust me. These are really worth the money, and I think you'll like them. Thank you very much.